Good morning, class. Let's discuss query.
See, in this chapter 4, number 1 is what is query. So we are on this topic only. First of all, the database of an organization may contain a huge amount of data. That I have already told you that why we need database, because that a huge amount, a bulk of record to keep maintain on uh, it your to keep it maintained, you need a special software, that is database software. Because if you want certain records of somebody's record just in a moment, so you need to just fetch from here there. And if you are going to maintain this data in a long big files and paperwork manually, so you are not able to get it too fast. That is why this is very important to use certain things in a tabular manner, so you can fetch it immediately. And each and every record like father's name, like if you have maintained students record, so you need father's name, class, section, class teacher, or means in which building they are, or phone number, email id, contact address, each and everything will be available with that. So just one name, one query, and you can fetch each and everything. Similar to that, queries are, but here the slide pattern is different, so don't get confused that is that query. You can see, first of all, understand it by theoretically, then I'll be showing you the practical ones even. Hope you will understand this very clearly. Here you can see, moreover, it may consist of multiple tables when the number of records in a table increases. जैसे ही आपके नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स इंक्रीज होते जाते हैं, योर मैटर इज बिकमिंग very lengthy and very huge. Here it becomes an ample task to extract specific form from the table. तो इसी के लिए आपको सर्चिंग के लिए कुछ चाहिए. सर्च किसके थ्रू करते हैं हम? क्वेरी के थ्रू करते हैं. फॉर दैट यू नीड क्वेरी. Microsoft Access provides us a solution for this problem through queries. As I told you, a query is what? A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition. Creation the information retrieved on the basis of the specified creation in such query. Well, here if you tell that certain table and such information you need, so you need to enter in that manner. पहले आप उसका टेबल देंगे, फिर उसका आप क्वेरी देंगे कि आपको किसका रिकॉर्ड चाहिए. What is exactly query is, कैसे लेंगे उसे? You just think about it, a query, that it is a simple kind of a question that one asks to find specific information from the database what you have stored in your computer. Now here the summarized data you want, or the specific data you want, that is your choice. According to your will, it will display. You just take one of the example in our daily life. We make several types of queries to get specific information. For example, which student scoring above 85 percentage. So which student live in sector 4 Noida here. So इफ़ यू वांट सो ऑन, मतलब स्पेसिफिक डेटा के साथ आप चाह रहे हैं कि आपका ऐसा डिस्प्ले हो कि ये बच्चे के परसेंटेज इतना है, लेवल से ऊपर वाले बच्चे आ जाएं, और या फिर आप चाह रहे हैं कि इस पोर्शन में, इस लोकेशन पे पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट्स जो रहते हैं उनका नेम डिस्प्ले हो जाए. सो विद दैट यू कैन डू इट वेरी इजीली. We can make a quick depending on the defined criteria. Let us understand the concept of queries. If a student table, suppose this 4.1 figure 4.1 in your book, you can see student table is there where roll number, full first name is there, class is there, address is there, and you have a record of class 8 as well as class 9th. The both records you have. Suppose you want to extract the record of students of class 8 and 9 who reside in Noida and can find these records with the help of query. Suppose query are made means आपको particularly किसका चाहिए, इसमें addresses भी हैं, classes भी हैं, आपको सिर्फ 8th class का चाहिए तो you taking on 8th one only, या आपको सिर्फ 9th का चाहिए तो all 3 the downwards you need only. तो आपको एक एक को सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, आपको सिंपल अपना क्वेरी डालना है और वो टेबल अपने आप डिस्प्ले कर देगा. ओके, हियर द थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्प्ले इन द रो एंड कॉलम ओनली बिकॉज इट इज़ मेंटेन्ड इन द सिमिलर मैनर. Access provides various type of queries. Here one is select query, parameter query, cross tab, action, and SQL. SQL is very important. Structured query language is the full form, and it is mainly a kind of language which helps a lot in this database manner. Setting a relationship between a table. अगर आपको दो टेबल्स के बीच में कोई रिलेशन सेट करना है, या आप ये भी सोच लें कि आपको सपोज you have one table of student where the roll number, name, class, address is there. In the another table, roll number, your contact number, your email ID, and your respective games in which you are interested, though are mentioned. So basically, how will you relate those two tables? You just observe in these two tables, one column is common, that is roll number. Roll number are in the both table, but names are not there, then class is not there, then your address is not there, and even your name can be means Aman Verma and Aman Singh, means two name can be of same type, Aman, and Singh and Verma is not mentioned over there. So how will you find the information for the Aman you want? It cannot recognize computer on its own that you want Aman Verma or Aman Singh, because it is a machine. You need to define that which Aman you want information regarding. So here is the pattern. One unique ID is provided to each of the entry. आप कोई भी एंट्री करते हैं टेबल में तो उसके पास एक यूनिक आईडी होती है. इस यूनिक आईडी से आप रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाते हैं that what entry exactly you need. Okay, whether it is your enrollment number, your roll number, or specifically email ID, but it is very lengthy when you are going to type email ID and all that. Some institutions are keeping the registration ID also, so that is also a unique ID which cannot be provided to the any another student. Okay, so hopefully this will help
Thank you, class.
to recognize the pattern.